Well, you've seen me make some meth. 50-50 mix this car takes. It's out of this world. And I'm really surprised that I would even like a car like this, but it's changed my ways. See what you think. So this car come in, it was originally meant to be running 500 horsepower. When we put it on the dyno, it was actually running 395. So had a couple of little issues that we've sorted out. And then Reece from Dynomap come down. You'll see Reece in some of the other videos that we do. And he tuned this bad boy and it made 500 horsepower, which is about 475, 470 to the wheels. So 500 at the fly, it's gonna be sick. Like, I think it's just gonna spin for days. We'll find out. Every single other car that we've driven lately has just spun and spun and spun. It's quite cold. I think it's like -2 degrees today because I'm feeling it, and I've even left the plasters on just to make sure that I stay toasty. So this car has got Mk2 forged pistons, K1 forged rods. It's had the block mod, had all new water pump, new oil pump, Athena head gasket, balance crank and front pulley. It's got 1000cc injectors, BW S200 turbo. It's got a T4 cast manifold. It's got a 38mm wastegate. It's got stage 1 cams. It's ported and polished head. It's got a Helix Autosport 6-paddle clutch with a lightened and balanced flywheel. AS atmospheric breather kit. It's got a torque mount, AEM water meth injection, HKS boost controller, 440 fuel pump, K-Sport brakes on the front, KWV-free coilovers all round. This thing's going to be a bit of an animal. Let's go. Ford. I'm just letting the car warm up at the moment. Taking it for a leisurely stroll. I'm used to a heavy clutch. This clutch isn't amazingly heavy, but it's quite heavy for what it is. Oh mate, I need some heat up in here. This is freezing in this car. They don't come with heated seats. This is why I prefer Mercedes. First pull on the road. See what it goes like, shall we? Fuck me, what is this wizardry? What? Fuck, that thing just spins. What the fuck? Oh, that wastegate sounds amazing, man. Like, what is that all about? Go for third gear again. Wow. That's fun. Let's open the window so you can hear it. It's going to spin third. Yes! Wow! Oh my days! What is that? What is that? Madness. Fourth gear. Yep, still spins. If you can hear the beep, that's the boost controller telling me it's getting to maximum boost. So you would think a car having 500 horsepower would be, front wheel drive would be pretty uncontrollable. In a straight line, it's fine. I think if you was to go around a corner and put your foot down, I think then you would just pull straight. I don't think that you'd actually be able to make the corner. But for a straight line car, this is actually a really good car. Like, the noises it makes, it handles really well. I believe it's got suspension on it. The dials are a bit of an off-putter because they're right in your line of sight. Definitely warm now. Can't believe how controllable it is when it's spinning still. It is fast car. Matt drives like Miss Daisy. Good. We're good. Stupid car. Why would you even want 500 horsepower in a Ford Focus? That sound, man. The sound is insane. And a roundabout onto the main road where we can do 70 miles an hour. Oh my god, that thing fucking pulls. Oh my fucking god. What? There's a tunnel up here. I wonder what it sounds like in the tunnel. We'll find out. Wow, once again, what a fast car. So fast. It's so responsive as well. Normal cruising speed is alright. It's a little bit loud, but it's what it is. Oh look, there's a motorbike here. Kept up with him. Handle's really nice, like, doesn't feel boaty or anything like that. Fast. Apart from it being noisy as fuck, it's actually a really nice drive. Trying to think of what else that I can tell you about this car apart from it's a Ford, and it hasn't broken down on me. That's weird. Like, Ford not breaking down. What? And again, so on the road we're actually hitting 2 psi more. We're hitting 25 psi, not 23 psi. I just checked the AFRs to make sure they're all good. It's all good. Stupid. I still can't believe it ain't broken down. I think the air's a lot denser today. I think that's why it's nice and cold. The air intake temperatures are fucking freezing. Obviously the meth helps. It's actually sitting at like 11 degrees, the intake air temperature sensor at the moment, which is pretty cold. Obviously the meth helps that. I thought we was meant to be in a lockdown. Everyone's at McDonald's. It's like the place to be. I feel like I'm in a foreign country. Did someone ask for a sick burnout? So been out in the car's been so much fun. Don't forget to check out the merch shop. Don't forget to follow. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I've got so many sick builds for this channel. So many sick cars to show you. And obviously, as usual, we're gonna dick around. Harvey's nearly done. We've got to put the valves in and then we're gonna run nitrous through it again. We've got to do a video on Darren's Skyline. You'll absolutely love Darren's Skyline. Make sure that you subscribe because when I've been looking at the graph, about 12% of you that are viewing the videos are actually subscribed. So please subscribe, because it helps us build the channel. It helps me bring content to you. This channel is going to be absolutely sick, and all of you lot are going to be on the journey of growing the channel. I'd like to get the subscribers up. I'd like to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of 2021, because this year's been crap. So let's hopefully next year we'll have a fat year. And the only way I could do that is by you guys sharing and liking and subscribing. So make sure you subscribe, check out the videos. Let's get to 100k. Peace out.